In the holy city of Ayodhya, when darkness slowly began to rise, and the world longed for hope, a divine child was born, Lord Rama, the symbol of truth, of Dharma, a prince with a pure heart, who chose righteousness over power. He walked the path of sacrifice, stood firm against injustice, and inspired the world with his values. When evil rose in the form of Ravana, he did not step back. With courage in his heart and Dharma as his strength, he defeated evil and restored justice to the world, reminding us that no matter how strong darkness may seem, truth will always shine, that righteousness will always win, and that good will always conquer evil. That is why we celebrate this sacred day. Happy Sri Rama Navami.